You guys want to see the best part about a 9 Lives Johnny wing? They're really thinking about this. Check this out. Built-in bottle opener right here. Nothing like an ice cold Corona. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be pretty sick. I've been wanting to get one of these for a very long time, like since he actually started the company, but as you guys can probably tell by the title, it's gonna be a 9 Lives Johnny wing. He's been, I think, in business since like 2017, 2018. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong, but he's local to Georgia where I am, so I was able to actually go pick up this wing in person, go check out his shop, and it's pretty cool like how they build all the wings like in-house and stuff. And but anyways, guys, I don't want to bore you guys with talking or anything like that, but I'm pretty pumped. So let's install a 9 Lives Johnny wing on the Miata. Before we get started, actually, I wanted to go ahead and, so I got there is 3 different options on his site that you can do, actually probably 4. So you can actually do it yourself, build your own wing, custom wing stands, how wide you want the wing, or you can do like a 43-inch wide wing. You can do 71, which is pretty big. I used to have a 69-inch wing on the NA, and then you can do a 64-inch wing, which is what we went with. Basically, it is the width of an NA NB, like fender well to fender well. So it's basically the wing that you want to go with if you aren't doing like crazy time attack stuff, or if you don't have like a massive front splitter. So we went to 64. Hopefully that should be good. Maybe we could upgrade to 71 later on down the road, but I can't wait to see this thing. And also, we got the kit instead of do it yourself. So the kit comes with the wing stands, and then you can just bolt it up for however you want it. So let's go ahead and install this thing. Basically what we're gonna do first here is we're gonna remove this stock trunk and basically get everything measured up here, of like the instructions online and stuff. Like you can already see I kind of like taped it right here, but get everything measured up, take this trunk off, and then we will go ahead and start basically mocking up the measurements, and then we're gonna start drilling, mounting, and putting the wing on. Well, guys, I didn't want to bore you with doing all the measurements, so we got both sides measured out, and I think we're ready to drill. So I will show you guys the measurements that we did, kind of going off the instructions online with the NA and NBV2 wing. So we are basically, we got it on, like I said, mocked up on both sides. So I'll show you guys the measurements that we used, and then we'll go ahead and start drilling. But so basically what we did, we also installed the nubby antenna too, so the wing will fit now. But what we did was we took both wing stands here and kind of, obviously we kind of used the instructions on 9 Lives website and stuff, but we kind of, from this point back to the trunk, we did this mark. The front of the wing stand is going to be 12.5. On the NA, it looks like they say 13 to 13 and a half, and then on the V2 wing, it's usually 12. So we kind of went right in the middle of that, and to me, it looks like the best. So 12 and a half on both sides of the front of the wing stand, and so we got all of our holes here ready to drill. And we kind of wanted to not go, obviously, within the spot welds right here and drill these out. That wouldn't be the best idea. But so we went to where we're not drilling out any spot welds. But like I said, 12.5 is gonna be the front of the wing stands. And it's time to drill. It's time to freaking drill the side of the car. Let's do it. we got the holes drilled. It was pretty nerve-wracking, but they go all the way through right here, and then we'll have a nut on the back. And then we also got them over here, all 3 holes drilled. So next thing we're gonna do is we'll actually mount, I think, the wing. I'm not sure. We might, I think they say mount the stands first, then put the wing on. But I've seen other people put the stands on the wing, then put them on here. I think we'll probably put the stands on first, then we'll put the wing on, so. Well guys, this thing looks pretty sick, I gotta say. Like, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. We just gotta freaking put the end plates on, the last piece, but you guys just let's look at this thing. Like, man, boy! Got a big wing now. I think it's so sick. It's basically like they said, it's even with the freaking body lines. This is a 64-inch. Woo! Gotta put the freaking end plates on now. Don't worry, we're gonna be wrapping this thing. Dang! Still gotta cut the trunk too, but wow. Thing is freaking sick. Oh yeah. These are pretty spicy. Look at everybody else, the end plate, this emblem goes forward, so, and then this is where you can put the flap up here, the gurney flap. Pretty sweet. They have like a little rail in here that you can put on and adjust it, but these are just little Allen wrenches and popped on. Already got this one on basically. These are just the basic end plates too. Looks pretty spicy. We got the wing all installed, we got the trunk on. Didn't want to bore you guys with cutting the trunk or anything like that, but we took this thing for a drive, and like, I've had a wing on my Miata before. It was just a ghetto NRG wing. When I tell you that the downforce is real, like, the car squats now and it feels so much more dialed around turns. Like, it felt pretty good, and I've taken this thing to the tail multiple times, but this wing is no joke, and it looks so good. Like, let's just go ahead and bask in this. It looks so freaking good. Don't worry boys, we're gonna be wrapping the wing, the trunk, the front hood, and all that. I'll be talking about that a little bit later in a different video, but this thing, so sick. Like I said, we cut the trunk here. Looks pretty good too, but oh my gosh, boys. Thing is so sick. But I will link everything down in the description below. The 9 Lives Johnny wing that I got, like I said, 64-inch, just regular end plates, and I will also link the instructions that I use down below. Definitely recommend following them. Like I said, I didn't really go into in depth of like how I did and installed the wing, just because there is instructions already. And but definitely give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you want a wing for your car, I highly recommend 9 Lives Racing, the wing itself. And like Johnny and his team, they definitely have done so much research and so much track time with their wings and stuff, and after driving the car for like 10-15 minutes, it's serious downforce. So I can't wait to build a front splitter. That's gonna be next, and some more aero for the car, because the front definitely needs some aero now with this freaking big wing on the back. But anyways, I'm rambling on. Definitely remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And remember, have a wonderful day. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.